At this point in my life, as I reflect deeply on the journey I've traveled, there are profound lessons I'd share with my younger self to guide and enrich the path ahead. Number 1. Immerse yourself in your passions rather than exhausting yourself in tasks you dread. Mastering activities you love cultivates energy and creativity, while continuously engaging in disliked tasks depletes your spirit. Number 2. Embrace routine as your foundation. Consistency in waking and sleeping patterns grounds your day, enhances productivity, and builds discipline, essential for lasting success. Number 3. Safeguard your health diligently. A strong body amplifies your potential, allowing you to chase dreams vigorously. Regular exercise, mindful eating, and quality rest are investments that compound beautifully over time. Number 4. Intentionally surround yourself with those who uplift you. People who genuinely celebrate your wins and challenge you to grow significantly elevate your life journey. Number 5. Respect others' personal truths and save your energy. Avoid trying to change someone's perspective. Instead, direct your valuable energy towards self-growth and your personal ambitions. Number 6. Humility doesn't diminish your worth, it enhances it. True humility is found in appreciating the value in others equally while confidently embracing your strengths. Number 7. Understand that life's greatest tests often precede significant breakthroughs. Challenges and setbacks are not obstacles, but critical markers signaling your growth and future successes. Number 8. Commit daily to incremental self-improvement. Regular, small improvements in your habits and mindset snowball into profound personal transformations over time. Number 9. Set clear boundaries to guide how people interact with you. Your relationships reflect the standards you establish early and maintain consistently. Number 10. Swiftly acknowledge when you're headed down the wrong path. Quickly recognizing misalignment allows faster recalibration toward your true purpose. Number 11. Trust your intuition deeply. Often, the need for external validation signals that internally you already hold the answers you're seeking. Number 12. Remember, adversity strengthens you. Each challenge endured builds resilience and prepares you for future hurdles, making you wiser and more capable. Number 13. Abundance naturally finds those secure in their self-worth. Seek inner validation rather than external approval, and opportunities will flow toward you. Number 14. Great dreams often involve periods of misunderstanding and doubt from others. Remain steadfast in your vision despite skepticism, trusting the clarity of your purpose. Number 15. When life feels comfortable, double your efforts. Ease often leads to complacency. Maintain the ambitious drive that propelled you initially. Number 16. Seek guidance exclusively from those who've succeeded where you aspire to be. Real-world wisdom surpasses theoretical advice every time. Number 17. Honor the power of no. Prioritize your well-being by clearly refusing requests misaligned with your values and objectives. Number 18. Boldly express your authenticity. Never dim your brilliance to ease others' discomfort. Genuine expression inspires true connection. Number 19. Cultivate a compelling, clear life purpose. Knowing your why fuels determination, fosters resilience, and shapes an impactful legacy. Number 20. Deeply study a few profound works rather than skimming many superficially. Focused learning with practical application yields the greatest transformative results. Number 21. Adopt optimism as your default mindset. Assuming positive intent helps maintain emotional balance and mental clarity through life's uncertainties. Number 22. Prioritize self-care diligently. Only from a strong foundation can you effectively support and uplift others around you. Number 23. Embrace challenges that genuinely matter. Actively solving meaningful problems enriches your life and magnifies your positive impact. Number 24, transformation demands releasing outdated habits. Growth requires continually shedding old patterns to make room for beneficial changes. Number 25, confidence is forged through keeping private promises. Consistently fulfilling commitments to yourself enhances self-trust and confidence. Number 26, dedicate yourself fully to long-term mastery. Sustainable excellence comes from persistent effort over years, rather than fleeting bursts of enthusiasm. Number 27, lead with genuine kindness and generosity. How you interact with others profoundly shapes your own life experiences and satisfaction. Number 28, celebrate and openly acknowledge others' strengths. Genuine appreciation can powerfully motivate and positively redirect someone's life trajectory. Number 29, recurrent negative experiences often reflect internal issues. Regular self-reflection helps break destructive cycles and cultivates positive interactions. Number 30, consciously avoid drama and gossip. Successful people focus their valuable energy on constructive, meaningful conversations and actions. Number 31, recognize that fear often skews judgment. When fear arises, seek objective perspectives to clarify decisions and actions. Number 32, embrace the power to change at any stage. Your capacity for personal growth and reinvention remains infinite throughout life. Number 33, let go of distractions and harmful habits. Releasing these anchors creates space for positive transformation and meaningful achievements. Number 34, seek adventure in the real world beyond screens. Genuine, tangible experiences enrich your life far beyond digital interactions. Number 35, willingly embrace responsibility. Increased responsibility sharpens your abilities and broadens your opportunities for growth. Number 36, fully own your life's outcomes. Taking complete responsibility empowers you to proactively shape your destiny. Number 37, balance deep gratitude with relentless ambition. Celebrate your current accomplishments while continuously striving toward greater aspirations. Number 38, intentionally prioritize what truly matters. Your calendar should transparently reflect your core values and genuine priorities. Number 39, cultivate respect through inspiring actions, not intimidation. True respect stems from admiration for character and positive influence. Number 40, understand life mirrors your internal world. Develop deep self-awareness to ensure your outer circumstances align beautifully with your innermost values and goals.